today we are also going to use the wire make the simple ring. Hello Donna, hi Rondia, happy to see you. Okay, so we are use this ring sizer and we use the wire 1mm. Let's going to make some very easy and simple ring here. First, we are wrap the piece of the wire this way. Cut. Now it's like here. Then we are going to fix the piece of the wire. This will be a very easy ring. I think even you never do the handmade, you can try. This one here. We can use the piece of the round plier. Hello Teresa P. Hi Mary Lucia. Happy to see you. So it's rubber here. And the other one we're going to cut. And let's make the piece of the loop. Here. This one. Here. And we are use the wire to start rub the beads. Yeah, it will be a very easy design. Use the wire 0.4. Cut about a 10 centimeter the wire here. Hi, married house thinker. Let me see. How are you feeling? Self P, I'm good, thank you. Okay, I didn't see the message. Okay. Yeah, so how think is the how thick is the wire? The wire size is 1mm and 0.4. Yeah, 1mm and 0.4 here. Okay. We are going to use 2 pieces of the beads. So go to wrap it by this short wire. You can just wrap it 1, 2, 3. Here. This one. Here. And wrap here and wrap one more time. Okay, then next the beads this way, and use it to wrap it on the tights. Here. Okay. So it come a ring finish like this. Hello Liz, happy to see you. Today we are use the copper wire make some simple design. So one wire we wrap like this way. Then next we are going to use the one wire